Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Totally Tara here with another planner video. Today I'm going to be doing a weekly plan with me from February 17th to the 23rd, so stay tuned. If you have not already, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with me and the things that I have going on over here on this channel. So before we really get into this video, I do want to let you guys know that yes, there are two huge grease stains on my planner. The week prior, I went and got some donuts and I set the paper bag on the planner so the grease kind of went through the pages. It'll be like this until March. Also, my long note sticker is going to be messed up for the entire video. It's still messed up today. I honestly did not care. I tried to fix it. I kept trying to fix it, but honestly, the way that I was feeling, I just wanted to make it be on the paper. If it wanted to be straight, it was going to be straight. If not, then oh well. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am aware of the huge grease stains on my planner. And also, when you see at the end that my note sticker is messed up, that's the reason why. So I'm not going to do a lot of talking on this video. I actually am feeling a little bit under the weather, so I don't really have a lot to say because I just want to do this voiceover, record this video, and go to bed, lay down. How was Valentine's Day for you guys? I hope that it was grand. I hope that if you wanted somebody to go all out for you, that they did that. I hope you got all the chocolates and roses and teddy bears and all that lovey-dovey stuff. I hope you got it. If that's what you wanted, I hope that you got it, okay? And if you didn't get it and you wanted it and the person that you wanted it from didn't give it to you, you might want to reevaluate. But my Valentine's Day was cool. Friday, like I said before, I didn't want to do anything, but we ended up going to get something to eat. We did have a few drinks and the conversation was very, very good. It was a great night. And then we decided that we would go to Philly the next day, so we drove to Philly and kind of did some sightseeing. It was so cold, like it was so cold, but it was still fun. We still had a good time. But then on Sunday when I woke up, I felt like I had been hit by like 10 buses. Like my body was just not feeling me and I wasn't feeling it. So when it came time for me to film this video, I didn't have the energy, so I had to keep stopping and taking breaks, which is why the video is so short, because I had to chop a whole bunch of it out because a lot of it was just the phone was there recording and I was not there doing anything. But I hope you guys do enjoy the video. I did a green and gold kind of layout. I wanted to go in and do a layout with just stickers, no dolls. I used no planner dolls in this, simply because I don't want people to feel like they have to have stickers or they have to have washi or dolls or whatever. If I knew how to draw, I would definitely go in and just do no stickers at all. But that's not one of my talents, so for now I have to use stickers. I think I want to do a spread with just washi and see how that works out, but right now I cannot wrap I cannot wrap my brain around that. So I hope you guys do enjoy the video. I hope that you love my spread as much as I have grown to love it, because at first I really didn't like it. But yeah, let me know down in the comments and I'll see you guys soon.
Inside say is, if I was your girl, all the things I do to you, I'd make you go up my name, might ask who it belongs to. If I was your woman, the things I do to you, but I'm not, so I can't, and I won't. But if I was your girl,
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, you know what to do. Bye. See you soon.